Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Today I'm doing a back-to-back video. So if you saw this look, don't freak out. It's not the same video. I just finished reviewing the new Visionary palette by One Size Beauty, which is Patrick Starr's brand. I also went ahead and I bought a eyeshadow topper and of course the liner. So if you want to see my thoughts on this, it's a first impressions video. You can click the link that's going to pop up above, or you can wait until the end of the video when they give you more options for more of my videos. But right now it is time for me to go to sleep. Lately there's been a lot of taken off makeup products that I have been really intrigued in. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. It is makeup melting and it is soothing. So the reason why I bought this is because of all of the claims that it says it has. So I'm going to go ahead and read this now. It says melt stubborn makeup and smooth skin from the start of your routine with this PEG-free cleansing balm. This plant-based hydrating sorbet effortlessly dissolves makeup, oil, and SPF while resurfacing skin. It has active soothing papaya extract and papaya seed oil, and it is mixed with antioxidant rich blueberry. This formula transforms from a cushiony balm to a milky oil, leaving skin fresh and hydrated. Also vegan, cruelty-free, free of PEGs, parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, silicones, drying alcohol, synthetic dyes, synthetic fragrances, which basically tells me this is not going to be so harmful on my skin. That's what I've been really getting into, which is why I wanted this. And this, by the way, has a 12-month shelf life. It comes with 3.38 fluid ounces. This is a pretty hefty box. It is heavy. I'm going to show you guys up close what it looks like. Okay, so I have not used this. This is a first impressions. It says, hey glow gang, melt makeup and smooth skin with refreshing papaya. Alright, so, okie dokie. We have, ooh, she is heavy. Here we go. This is luxury in my hand. If you guys haven't tried Glow Recipe, really recommend their products. I have a few of their stuff and so far everything I've gotten I've actually really enjoyed. So like the box said, this is only step one, guys. Always cleanse your face after doing this. And then we have this to just scoop out the product. This is how it looks up close. It says on dry skin, gently massage formula in circular motions for up to 1 minute, focusing on areas that have more makeup. It says splash lukewarm water to rinse. Then to double cleanse, apply 1 to 2 pumps of blueberry bounce gentle cleanser after a cleansing balm. Oh, okay, that's probably another one of their products. I think I actually got that. Blueberry bounce gentle cleanser. So I happened to like get this because it was like one of those impulsive buys where they're like, hey, do you want to add this to the cart? So I went ahead and I did. So I'm actually, you know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and do that too after I do this. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. That's what it looks like. Okay, that smells good. I don't feel like a heavy scent coming out of here, which is great. Alright, I'm going to use this scooper. I don't know how much product I should use because it doesn't really say that. So I'm going to take a generous amount because your girl got a big head. Look how much I'm taking. We're about to get messy up in here. I'm just going to rub this together. Oh, you can smell it now. That smells so good. Wow. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this feels so good. It's like cooling. It has like a cooling effect. Ooh. Oh god, that scent. The scent is really nice. Yep, it's definitely already taken off makeup. Look at this. Oh my god. Let's take this side. Oh. Wow. I don't even think I needed that much. Like, I really did not. Oh, this is getting on my hair. I did not think this through. Holy chalupas. And I didn't take off my lashes. Okay. I need to stop to take off my lashes at the very least. Not good. Gotta take them off. I should have put my hair up too. Guys, Chris is not thinking right now. What was I thinking? I think I took way more than enough. Definitely could take less. This is, oh my god. The makeup is like completely, look at my face. I look gross. I need to take off my lashes. Let me take off. Okay, now I'm just gonna like take the product from my own face because, again, I put a lot. I didn't need this much. I'm gonna put this on my eyes. Whoa. I don't even know how this looks yet. I'm really excited though to see. I'm not rubbing hard, by the way. I'm just going back and forth. Whoa. Goodness, well, it definitely melted everything. Like, where did she go? Oh my god. This melted everything off. Okay, so it says to rinse your face, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, well, this is all the makeup off my face. All I did was rinse it off. I've got no makeup on this face right now. What I really enjoyed about this, other than like the scent, was how it actually made my skin feel. Like, my skin feels fresh. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it doesn't feel sticky. It feels good. And this was just step one, but I honestly feel like this left my skin feeling really like kind of new. There's even like a glow to my skin. It worked very quickly. I didn't need a pad or a wipe or anything like that in addition to taking it off. I mean, you really can't ask for more. The job is done. Now, as for the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, I'm going to clean my face and I'll let you guys know in the comment section how I feel about this one. So far, this was a really great buy. So if you had your eye on this, I highly suggest trying it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also hope to catch you guys on the next one. Bye.